It is the 28th of December and really slept late today. Slept till 7 o'clock. Oh my God. Um, in any case, we did see the market trade up higher as we thought it would last night. You could see we got up to, we did exceed that prior high that we were looking at, the most recent high of the 23rd, which we thought would occur. And what's going on here? Here's the 60. What's going on here is, let me switch over quickly to the daily. What you're seeing on the daily here, that was that prior high, that 55.75, I believe the number was, those two bars right next to each other, the red one and the green one in the middle of the screen. And so we've got our resistance line drawn across there. We did hit it, exceeded it by, I think, a tick, perhaps a tick or two. And these trend lines that we drew long ago, these slope trend lines, are still a factor, and that can happen often, that you have trend lines that continue to come into play for long periods of time. We're butting up against, right now, resistance wise, we're butting up against those prior highs of the 23rd and now, of course, of last night, and the top of that trend line, the upper of those two angled trend lines, and it may have a little trouble getting through there. I would not be surprised to see a little selling. It may bounce through there later, but I think the initial move may be that it's going to back off a little bit. And of course, once it hit that high last night in overnight trading, it did back off just a little bit, but only down to about 1254.75, so not real significant. I think we could see a little bit of selling here, and I'm going to be looking for the exact place to affect that, or the right series of selling signals that are going to indicate that move might be appropriate. But that's kind of what I'm watching for here, is just a little bit of a move down. And when I say a little bit of a move down, going back to the daily, that bottom trend line that you see, I'm going to go ahead and calculate that out, and actually not calculate it, but move my mouse over it. It'll tell me exactly what that number is. But it looks like it's probably in that 1252 range. And again, it's the bottom of that. It's the lower of those two upward angled trend lines is what I'm talking about. I think we'll see the body of this bar hit that at some point today, and kind of looking to make that play if we can, and maybe the play back up too, because I still don't see it being real weak here. So might become a buyer down there, reverse my position as well. But we'll track it, and we'll be back.